Okay, now we're going to paint the second tree. It's a little bit more paint. We've got to get that ready. So I'm going to add a little more paint here. More green, a little more of the yellow for the base color here. Maybe a little more green. Yellow. Okay. So same thing again, we're going to do this wet into wet. I'll do this afterwards, so I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to come down this big shape. We'll see how this look starts off as, so it's pretty good. That's it. It's pretty good. This is why you need the nice point to your round brush so that you can get in these little teeny shapes. Okay, we want to get going here before it starts to really want to dry. I didn't lighten this up down here, but I think the dark will kind of cover that up enough. Okay, so you got to have enough water going on or else it dries too fast. And then when you go to do the other part, you don't get the mixture, the wet into wet mixing together nicely. Okay, now I come over here with the dark and bring that in here. Probably going to need some more. So I add a little more with my brush and then the burnt sienna. Burnt sienna. And when you do this, it's going to spread out a little bit. So you're not trying to overpaint it, just enough so you know it's going to spread. Yeah, covered up the blue of the mountain, okay. Okay, and then I can paint this shadow with the dark. So this whole shape over here is going to have this dark shadow color. There's a couple of openings there I'm going to paint around. Okay, then that little shadow comes over here, right, very thin. Okay, so your brush just okay. Pull this out a little bit. Okay, then up here, take the lighter paint. Okay, and then add the darker. Okay, so And then you've got a couple little doodads up here with just the light paint here. So a little bit, there's your little detail, see? That's all you really need for the detail. See, a little bit of detail, that's all, sometimes that's all you need for the whole thing, okay? So that about gets it. I'm going to dry this. I'm going to come back and do a little adjustment.